We're thrilled to announce our first ever Beamer Tech Open House, where we will be bringing together the best of BMW technology plus high-octane coffee to fuel your excitement and awaken our gathering.
Join us on this upcoming Earth Day on April 22nd, 2023 at 9 a.m. at our Central Florida showroom for a casual morning of exploring our latest innovations, appreciating the fine Bavarian motors, and most importantly, enjoying an early morning drive on the open road with Beamers and Coffee as your navigation destination. We'll have a premium coffee setup featuring blends to keep you energized throughout the morning, live music from DJ Certified, diagnostic checks, and best of all, plenty of parking.
Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or just curious about the latest advancements, this is the event that you don't want to miss. So grab a friend and come on down for a morning of aromatic pick-me-ups and German engineering excellence. Beamers and Coffee by Beamer Tech. We'll see you there.